Hello guys, welcome back. Some of you have asked what's the difference between YouTube ads and Google ads. Are they the same or different? Well, the answer is yes and no. So I will give a simple explanation for these answers. So before I start, in case you don't know, Google ads and YouTube ads are owned by Google. And in fact, Google owns a lot of platforms like the Android app that powers your Android devices, the platform you are currently watching this video on, which is YouTube, and many more. For example, if you want to run a YouTube ad, you will do that within the Google Ads platform. Now, the question you might want to ask is, what are their differences and their benefits? So from a general overview, the difference between YouTube ads and Google ads is their ad format. Google ads is for text and image-based advertising, while YouTube ads is for video advertising. Google ads are basically text-based ads that appear at the top of Google search result pages or on other websites. On the other hand, YouTube ads are video-based ads that appears before, during, and after YouTube videos. There are different types of YouTube ads, including skippable ads, non-skippable ads, and bumper ads. And these YouTube ads can either be in-stream or out-stream, which means that they can appear within YouTube or outside the YouTube. Another difference between YouTube ads and Google ads is their cost. With Google ads, your ads campaign can be pricey, while with YouTube ads, you can spend a little less to achieve the same result. However, it depends on what you want to achieve with your ads campaign. Overall, the main difference between YouTube ads and Google ads is their formats and the platforms where they appear. Google ads are text and image based and appears on Google search and other websites, while YouTube ads are video based and appears only on YouTube platform. There are several benefits of advertising with YouTube ads. One of the biggest benefits of using YouTube ads is the visibility it will give your business or brand, as there are over 2 billion users on YouTube, with the number increasing every day. And a lot of young demographics can be reached on this platform. While for Google ads, the benefit is that everyone goes to Google to search for answers, and you can pitch your business right in front of people searching for topics related to your product or service. Both platforms serve the same purposes, but in different formats and placements. Like, you can launch your YouTube ads and Google ads from the same platform. For example, when you want to promote a YouTube video from your channel, it will take you to the Google Ads website. This shows that they are the same, but for different purposes. If you haven't joined the waiting list of my upcoming workshop on Google Ads, kindly click the first link in the description to join, and you will get free weekly digital marketing tips on your phone and email. So if this video was helpful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And I would like to know, which of these platforms will benefit you more? Is it the video or the search? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.